Welcome everyone, Dr. Thor here, and we're going to review this interesting little Develop Your Intuition with Magic Mirror Cards by Uma Reed, with a foreword by Dan Millman, author of The Way of the Warrior. Now, apparently this person is connected, if they're getting people like that to write introductions. This is a system that deals with these unique cards, done again by some relatively famous artist. And these kind of work as a divination system, as well as developing, obviously, your intuition. Now, these cards have a lot of very classical shapes on them. And, you know, these things work if you are drawn to the artwork. If you really are attracted to these cards, well, this is something that you should work with. And, of course, working with any kind of tools is essential. Trying to just do things without tools is very difficult and ultimately extremely boring. So this is a very nice kit put together well. It comes with this nice little in this box. These cards are inside of it as well. You also get the instruction book, and you know, she gives you basic instructions and then encourages you to actually work on your own and develop your own systems. Well, I do like that because, you know, all of these things are art forms. You have to figure out what works best for yourself, not what other people tell you. But of course, you start off with doing things that other people tell you, so you have kind of this gauge of ways of working with things. But this should be only a beginning step. As you move on, you should be developing your own ways, getting your own insights. I mean, after all, you're supposed to be developing your intuition here, not dogmatically following whatever author says. So this is a nice little fun kit. If you're drawn to these images, this may be something that is interest to you. You can look at the link down below to go over and see the cost and the availability of this on Amazon. There are many, many divination systems and many techniques. This is just an interesting one that you may or may not be drawn to. Until next time.